Are you having problems that your Mint mobile eSIM is not working and you want to be able to try to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So there is a couple of reasons why it might not be working, and the main reason is that your eSIM is actually, it doesn't have any money on it right now, and you need to actually go into Mint official website and you need to add some money into the SIM card itself, and then it should start working. But if that is not the issue, well, there is other things that you can do. So personally, I've had a lot of problems with this before, so there is a couple of things you can do. You can swipe like this on the phone, and then you can just click on the airplane mode here, as you can see, and then just quickly disable it afterwards. For some reason, this can sometimes fix this problem, just so you know. You can also swipe up like this again, and you can click on the, you can see like the data symbol here, I guess. So you can click and then enable it once again. And that have actually fixed it sometimes for me as well. If that doesn't work, you can also try to restart your phone completely. And if that doesn't work, you have to probably reach out to Mint Mobile. Then something is probably wrong from their side, and you need to basically contact them and make sure that they fix it for you. Maybe they need to activate it for you from their own system. That have actually happened to me once, that they had to activate something from their system, and yeah, then they did it and it worked perfectly. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.